So I'm going to go over this little Volcano diffuser here. This is the lava one that I've got going right here. Let me just show you what all this thing does. So it's actually diffusing right now. Is that not awesome looking? It has this lava type feel around it. You want to fill it up with water to about right in there. Let me show you what's going on in there. There's what's going on in there. If you take the lid off, I do have some, you know, diffuser oil down in there, so it smells really good. Now the mode on the front, you got a 1 hour, a 3 hour, and an 8 hour, or just an always on. Now it runs until the water runs out and it shuts itself off. If you just want to turn it off, you can just hold this down and it'll turn itself off. If you just want to change the colors of it, hold this button down right here and then watch. Now it's like a blue type color. That looks awesome too. So you can run both of them. So they came in a 2-pack. You'll put one if you want to do it as like the multicolor. It seems to like change into different colors. Let's see if it changes to another color. See how it kind of shifts the colors? If you want to do that mode, hold it down. If you want the light out, so that's the light out itself, hold it again. I like it just as the orange lava right there, so it kind of looks like a little volcano right there. So it looks like it has 3 modes of operation. You got the orange lava, then you've got the kind of multicolor one that kind of goes through like that. That's really nice. So you will need to run the cord, and you need to have it always on power to some sort of USB. I'm running off that little power bank there, and I had it running on that power bank for like 4 days straight with no issues at all. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the lava diffuser. See you all in the next video.